Hello, welcome to my channel Crafts and Kitchen. Today I am going to make peanut rice. Let's get started by adding 2 tablespoons of chana dal and 2 tablespoons of urad dal along with 1/4 cup of peanuts. Roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add a tablespoon of sesame seeds and 2 dry red chilies. Roast it for 3 minutes on medium heat. And then add 1/4 cup grated dry coconut. Roast it for another 2 minutes. Once everything is roasted well, switch off the flame and let this mixture cool. Once it is cool, take it into a mixer jar. And grind it into a fine powder and keep this aside. Now in the same pan add 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot add 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Fry the peanuts in oil until they are nice and crisp, and then add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. Now fry everything for a minute and then add the prepared powder which we kept aside. Here I am using only half of the prepared powder for the quantity of the rice that I am using. You can always add more or according to your taste. Now add 2 cups of cooked rice. You can use leftover rice or freshly cooked plain white rice. Mix everything well. Add salt to taste, a teaspoon of lemon juice or lemon juice to taste. Mix everything well. And the peanut rice is ready. It's the best option for a quick lunchbox meal or to use up the leftover white rice. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon.